Let's just cut to the chase. I learned my lesson. Blueprint DIY shows you how to appropriately change a shirt or dress, if you will, into a romper. I looked at all those moves and I decided I don't want to do that. Now, what I should have done was put that dress right back in the closet and said, I don't want to ruin it. Maybe at a time where I have a little bit more patience, I'll do it. There were some videos also of some youngins showing how to do this the way in which I did it. And I can't say that. Y'all did me wrong. In the previous clip, you saw me holding a purple pen where I was supposed to mark my crotch and then try the outfit on gingerly to make sure it was adjusted right. But I got so involved in using these pants as a template that I forgot to do that part. You all know where I'm going with this. Let's just get to the debacle. I had nerve enough to very carefully sew this mess, and this is what I ended up with. Hot mess. Now you know I did not end with this, because if I would have, you guys, some kind of surgical correction would have been necessary.
Y'all see this? Y'all know it's wrong. Don't laugh. Don't laugh.
Now you know I couldn't leave things this way. I had to redeem myself. So I found a shirt that I could use as a guideline to be able to make a shirt out of this loss of a project to make it a win. Hey y'all, so I want to share that I gifted myself a decent pair of fabric shears. Now I will link the information in the description box. It is not sponsored. I just did the research on them and the reviews were very favorable. So again, I'll put it in the box to let you know what type. Let's get back to the making of this shirt. So this shirt at the bottom tends to kind of curve up. I'm just gonna follow that. That actually works in my favor with being able to have enough fabric to make it. So I'm just gonna follow that as best I can and then take it to the sewing machine.
I'm going real slow. When I tell you I'm going real slow, I don't know what that means because it's still being sewn, but I'm going real slow. And coming to the end, I have like 12 inches left to go. Oops, sorry. Okay.
In the end, I like it. I'm goofing off, but I'm happy with it. I think it turned out better than what I would have expected it to turn out. Don't be talking about my blab, y'all. Don't. But I am satisfied at this shirt. I probably would get more use out of this than I would in the jumpsuit. So it's a win for me.